Hey people, today I'm going to prepare masala vada. 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 inch of ginger which I have chopped into slices, and I have 1 fistful of garlic, 12 to 13 green chilies. So we need to make this one as a paste. So let's grind it into paste. Now for this masala vada, the main ingredient is soaked chana dal, which I have soaked for more than 4 to 5 hours, and now I am going to make a paste. And now we should not make it to a fine paste. You can grind it roughly so that you will get the crispiness. For this paste I am going to add 2 large onion which I have chopped into small pieces. Now I am going to add chopped coriander leaves. I have taken 1 handful of coriander leaves, and I have grinded the masala paste which I have showed earlier. I have pasted it to roughly. Now I have some more chana, so I can garnish it. Now I am adding this also to it because it gives crunchiness in the middle of the vada. And now I am going to add few curry leaves. I am adding salt. According to your taste, you can add the salt to the paste and mix it well. After mixing, so it looks like this. Now I am going to heat the oil to fry the masala paste. Now I am going to fry this one. So you have to fry each side 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, the shape will be spoiled. Now I am going to flip to the other side. Now our vada is ready to serve. So I am going to take the vada and we'll taste it.